Hello dear, how are you all? In this section, we have to solve question 6, Exercise 1.1, FSC Mathematics Part 2, question 6. A stone falls from a height 60 meters on the ground. The height after x second is given by h of x is equal to 40 minus 10 x scale. H of x is equal to 40 minus 10 x scale is a function between height and time. X denote here time and height denote here distance. It is a function between height and time. Obviously, you know time is always independent and dependent variable is height. So h is a function of its time. We can write h of x is equal to 40 minus 10 x scale is a relation between height and time. We have to find the height of stone after 1 second. After 1 second, we have to find height. When a stone is fallen from a height h, after 1 second, we have to find its height. So we put x equal to 1 in this relation to find height. We put when x is equal to 1, we have to find height. So h of 1 will be equal to 40 minus 10 multiplied scale of 1, 40 minus 10 multiplied 1 again 10, 40 minus 10 means 30 meter. So after 1 second it will cover 30 meter distance. After 1 second it will cover 30 meter height. Similarly, we can find height of stone after time 1.5. After 1.5 seconds, stone will cover the distance. We now put x is equal to 1.5 in this relation. So when x is equal to 1.5, we write when x is equal to 1.5, so h 1.5 mean height when time is 1.5, we put here value of x, so 40 minus 10 multiply 1.5 scale, 40 minus 10 scale of 1.5 is 2.25, so after multiplying 10 by 2.5 we will get 22.5. 22.5. After subtracting 22.5 minus 40 we will get 17.5. H 1.5 mean after passing the time 1.5 second, stone will cover the distance 17.5 meter. Similarly, we can find the distance or height of stone after passing the time 1.7 second. We put here x, or we replace x as 1.7 second. So we put h of 1.7, 40 minus 10 multiply 1.7 scale, 40 minus 10 multiply scale of 1.7 means 2.89. 2.89. When we multiply 10 by 2.9, we will get 28.9, and after subtraction we get 11.1. H of 1.7 mean after passing the time 1.7, height will be 11.1 meter. Now in part 2 we have to find when does stone strike the ground. We have to find when does stone will strike on the ground. Actually we have to find the time. In which time or how many time take a stone to reach the ground. When will stone will strike the ground? Just we have to find the time. You know when stone will strike the ground, automatically distance will be finished. Distance automatically will be finished means distance will be equal to 0 when stone will strike, and it is a condition to find the distance. It is a condition here to to find the height of stone. Condition that when stone will strike the ground, distance automatically will be equal to 0. So we replace or put height as 0 to find the time. To find the time when stone will strike the ground, we put height is equal to 0. So we put height of stone will be equal to 0. We will get 40 minus 10 multiplied x square. Why we put here height of stone is equal to 0? Because we know when stone will strike the ground, automatically height of stone will be finished, and height of stone will be equal to 0. By using this condition, we can easily find the time in which stone will strike the ground. We will get 40 is equal to 10 x square. X square is equal to 40 by 10 mean x square is equal to 4, and x is equal to plus minus 2 mean x is equal to 2, because time cannot be negative, so we take x equal to positive 2 in 2 seconds. So we can say that after 2 seconds, stone will strike the ground. In time, after 2 seconds, stone will strike the ground. Thank you.